Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Thank you for watching my video. Today, I have brought you some new information. I hope you like it and keep watching. Stay by my side. How to make a woman deeply drawn to you, the Stoic way. In a small coastal town, there lived a man named Marcus Hale, a quiet craftsman known not for his wealth or words, but for his presence. While others competed loudly for attention, Marcus remained unbothered by the noise of vanity and desire. His calm was like the sea before dawn, deep, still, powerful. He had learned early that chasing people only led to emptiness. When a man loses himself seeking another's approval, he becomes a shadow, not a presence. So Marcus practiced what he called the discipline of distance. He focused on his craft, on reading philosophy at sunrise, and on mastering his impulses, anger, lust, pride. One afternoon, a woman named Elara visited his workshop. She came to repair a carved pendant that had broken. She spoke quickly, nervously, as though used to being ignored or dismissed. Marcus listened quietly. He did not rush to comfort her or compliment her beauty. He simply paid full attention, the rarest gift a man can give. When he returned the pendant, fixed and polished, she noticed something unusual. His gaze carried no hunger, no pretense. It was clear, steady, like someone who had nothing to prove. That composure drew her in more deeply than any words could. Over the following weeks, Elara found herself thinking of him often, not because of anything he did to pursue her, but because of what he did not do. He did not beg for affection. He did not flatter her endlessly. He did not fill silence with shallow noise. His restraint made her curious. His discipline made her respect him. Marcus understood what many men forget, that attraction built on control and self-respect burns longer than attraction built on flattery or impulse. When a man governs his desires, he becomes magnetic. He stops needing validation, and that lack of need is power. Eventually, Elara returned again, not with a broken pendant this time, but with an invitation to walk by the sea. Marcus accepted, and as they talked, he spoke simply of virtue, of peace, of the daily struggle to master the self. She listened, captivated. In his voice she heard something stronger than passion. She heard purpose. In time, her admiration grew into something deeper, not obsession born of possession, but connection born of respect. She did not love him because he tried to make it. She loved him because he made himself whole. Lesson: a Stoic man attracts by discipline, presence, and peace, not manipulation or flattery. To make someone drawn to you, master yourself first. The calm mind, the focused purpose, and the steady heart, these are what truly magnetize others. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to support us.